Hi there, it's me again. I'm here at Luter, Larkin and Hunter in their lobby. Why am I in their lobby? Because I just helped Joe buy his first home using down payment assistance programs. I hope 2024 was a good year for you, and if it wasn't, I pray next year will serve you better. I just helped Joe close on his new place that he's going to call home. He said that it was his Christmas gift to himself. So since I'm here, I decided to shoot a quick video, and I'm doing this video for two reasons. One, because I want to wish you a safe and miraculous holiday season, and to let you know that our team is always here to help you, your family, or friends with their real estate needs. Secondly, my client closed on his first home with down payment funds totaling $40 grand. I have a workshop coming up on January 11th, and we are on a mission to help as many people as we can in 2025 become homeowners. So help us achieve this goal by sending us referrals. As you know, your referrals really do help the kids at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. So take the time to read the story about our featured child this month and share this information with the registration link with those who would like to buy or sell in 2025. Peace and blessings to you and yours, and have a happy holiday season.